Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay, so today what have I planned? I have planned some Mother's Day craft for you. See this? So in today's craft what we'll do, we'll make a bracelet and rings. Okay, and we'll make this thing. What is this? Can you guess? This is to-do list. Okay, your mama can write something. So this is a to-do list, and here we have a card. Here we have a card. So there are 4 things that we are going to make today, and for making these, what I have done, I have taken very simple material which is already available at home. So whatever you want to make, you can make that. This is for all the age groups. Something is these cards are simple. This is with these flowers, what you can do, if you learn these flowers and leaves na, you can make all of these. This bracelet also, ring also, to-do list also. So the basic things I'll teach you, and I'll teach you how to do the pasting and everything. Okay, so let's start with this card. Okay, so I'm starting with this card, and see, this is the bracelet. So I'm keeping this aside. One by one we'll cover all the craft with you. So first thing is this. For this, children, what you will be needing, you will be needing one paper like this. Here what I have done, you have to take this much big paper and you have to fold it like this. Okay, from the top this part should be joined. Can you see this? ये देखो, यहाँ से मैंने join करके रखा हुआ है. And here what we'll do, I want this shape ना, shape of a pot. So what I'll do, I'll draw 2 slanting lines. Okay, so for this I'll be needing one scale. So what you have to do, you have to leave this much of space for the border, and we'll draw 2 slanting lines over here for the pot. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll cut this shape. This is for my little ones because this is very simple. Okay, and children, make sure when you are using scissors, please be very careful while using scissors. See, now this card is ready. So on the top you can write down your message, you can write down Happy Mother's Day or whatever you want. Inside, children, inside also, if you want to draw something, if you want to make something, you can do that. Now here in these flowers you don't have to do anything much. What I have done, I have taken these pastel sheet strips. If you want, you can take ice cream sticks also. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am taking a green paper and I am taking out a thin strip from that. Or else what you can do, you can take out, you can use some glitter paper also. See, this is a glitter sheet. Okay, so instead of this you can use some glitter paper also. So this strip, you all know how to cut this strip. You just have to draw a thin line and make this strip. Okay, now we'll move to the flowers. Flowers are also very simple, children. For flowers, what you have to do, you have to draw half view. First of all, you will fold your paper into 2 equal halves, and then what you will do, you will make one half view. See, like this. This is a half view, and then what we'll do, we'll make V. V for van. V for van, like this. V and half view. Now I'll cut this. See. Children, if you have any problem, if you don't understand anything, you can write in the description box. I'll answer you. Sorry, in the comments you can write. Now see, this tulip is ready. So my flower pot is also ready, my tulip is ready, my strip is ready. Now only leaves are left. So what I'll do, I'll take one green paper, okay, fold this paper into 2 equal halves, draw one leaf like this, okay, draw one leaf like this, and you can cut this leaf. Children, we'll be using this leaf for many purposes, okay, for that also, your to-do list also, bracelet also, we are using same leaf, but what we have done in that, we have folded that leaf. So my leaf is also ready, see. So now flower is ready, leaf is ready, stem is ready. You just have to paste everything, okay. Got it? Now see, as many flowers as you want. I have made one mama flower and 2 baby flowers, okay. So this card is ready. Yes, I hope you like this one. Now we'll move to the rings. For ring, children, what you have to do, see, this is a ring and this is a bracelet, okay. For this, children, you will be needing some papers and scissors. Okay, so what I'll do, same way, children, you have to make leaf for this. We'll make 4-5 leaves for flower and bracelet. Here I have put some leaves also, and in this ring I have not put any ring. So first of all, I'll explain you how to make a flower. For flower, children, what you will do, you will take one paper and first of all you have to take out a circle, okay. So first take a circle. Now I am having this square paper. I'll cut the edges and make this round. And we don't need a perfect circle here. You need you have to cut the paper in a way that no sharp edges are left, okay. So if it's oval, then also it's okay, okay, because we don't need any sharp edges. You just have to cut them randomly. We don't need a perfect circle. Now what we'll do, either you can cut like this to make a spiral. For this we need a spiral, or else you can draw a spiral and cut. Both the ways are fine. Whatever you like, you do it that way, okay. Either you can draw a spiral and cut it, otherwise if you know how to cut a spiral, you can randomly cut it, but no sharp edges. See, now my spiral is ready, and one I'll show you how you have to draw and cut. Both the ways I'll tell you. See, so for spiral, what we'll do, we'll start from here. This is like this, we have to cut the edges, okay. Like this we'll cut the edges and we'll start from here. So first of all, you have to start from the center and you have to move your hand like this to make a spiral, okay. Now this spiral is ready. See, same way I have done this also. So now my flower cutting and my leaf cutting both are ready, okay. Both these things are ready. Now I'll tell you how to fold this. Now this is my leaf, children. First of all, you will fold this into 2 equal halves like this, and then what you have to do, you have to fold this like this, slanting. You know, this is a standing line, this is a sleeping line, so you have to fold this in slanting line like this. When you'll fold this leaf like this, it should be like this. Watch this carefully. Now I'll tell you again. Now this is my leaf. You have to fold it like this. Now my leaf is ready. Now I'll start with flowers. Both the cuttings are ready with me. Now I'll fold this also. Now children, see, you have to start folding. You have to start folding from here, this corner, okay. You have to start folding it like this. See, when you roll this na, see, this is looking like rose, okay. You have to keep on folding till the end. Okay, then what we'll do, keep on folding like this, you have to keep on rolling this, and then what we'll do, at the end we'll put some glue. Like this, you have to put some glue, a drop of glue, and you'll fix your flower like this. Hold it for some time and see, now my flower is ready. You have to hold this flower for some time. See, now this flower is ready. Keep on holding this for some time. Now this is ready. My flower is ready and my leaf is also ready. When I open this, see, all the zigzag lines are coming. Okay, now this is also ready. Both the things are ready with me. Okay, now I was teaching you this thing, ring. For ring, children, what you have to do, you have to cut a strip. Any color, children, there is no compulsion which color you have to use. You can use any color of your choice. I have taken a theme of pink, green and yellow, these colors. But there is no compulsion. If you want to use some other colors, you can do that. Now see how I am folding. I am folding it like this, a thin strip. One time I have folded. Now I am folding one more time to make a thick strip. For your band also, that means your bracelet, for this also you will be needing this strip, and for your ring also you will be needing this strip. So you have to fold it, cut it with the scissors, put some glue over here and paste. Like this, you have to put some glue inside and paste. Now my strip is ready. Now if you want to make a bracelet, what you will do, you will just roll it, big strip you have to roll, okay, for the bracelet, like this, okay. And if you want to make a ring, what you will do, you will roll a small strip, and after rolling it, what you have to do, you will paste it. You have to paste this part here. First you will cut and then paste. See, I'll cut this part, put some glue for the ring, okay, and then you can paste this flower on top of it. See, now my ring is ready, okay, like this. See, now you can wear this, your mom can wear this. Clear? Now what I'll do, now bracelet is clear. Same way you have to make bracelet also, same way you have to make the ring. So after pasting this flower, if you want, you can paste a leaf also. Here we have a leaf, that's your choice. So now 3 crafts are done. One is your pot, second one is your bracelet, and third your ring. Now comes to to-do list, okay, this one, okay. So now we have done these rings, we have done this pot, we have done this bracelet. For bracelet and ring, both the things you will be needing strips like this and flowers, okay. Now for this also you will be needing these flowers and leaves. So how you have to make the base? Children, what I have done, I have taken one full pastel sheet. Okay, I have used one full pastel sheet. Suppose this is my pastel sheet, so you have to fold it into two equal halves like this. Okay, and then you can take any rough notebook. It can be maybe your previous class notebook. What you have to do, you have to take a rough notebook like this. I have taken a rough notebook, and you have to keep your paper here, and you have to cut the size of this paper. Okay, you have to cut the size of the paper, and then open this, put that hard paper in. This is the hard paper now. In the notebooks we have this hard paper, so you have to keep this hard paper inside, and then you have to paste it. See, same way I have done. Here I have pasted a hard paper. I have kept a hard paper inside this, and what I have done, I have put some glue like this. You have to put some glue and paste it neatly. Okay, now base is ready. Okay, now my base is ready. Now what we have to do next, see, this is the coaster. So now what, to-do list. So here what I have done, now you have to make this diary. For this diary, children, I have used A4 paper, normal printing paper. You have to fold it 3 times. This is full printing paper, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 times you have to fold to get this size. Okay, and then you have to cut it neatly, staple this paper. I'll show you how. You have to make good crease. Fold this paper neatly. And then what you will do, you will cut all the edges like this and like this. Now all the edges are ready. So after doing the cutting, what you will do, you will just staple this to make a diary like this. Okay, now when my diary is ready, I'll paste it over here. Diary, children, if you want to make a big diary, that's also fine. You can make a big diary. I have one big diary also. So here you can paste a big diary, and you can paste your flowers only here at the top. So that's your choice. If you want to make a small diary, so you can paste it in the center. That's your choice. Now these flowers are ready with me. I've told you how to make these flowers. I've explained you. Now you'll put these flowers over here. You'll put these things, your flowers like this. Okay, and we'll put the leaves also. We'll put these leaves also over here. Like this. We'll put some leaves and flowers, and then here you can use either pencil or a pen. Here I have a pen. I have covered this pen with pink paper. Here I have a pen, and if you want, you can use a pencil also. Here I have a pencil. I have covered this pencil with different color paper strips. So whatever you want, you can use this. And for this ring, what you have to do, again you have to use this same strip that we have used for bracelet and ring. So same strip you will roll and paste it over here. Okay, same strip you will roll and paste it, and then here if you want to write something, here if you want to write something, you can do that. And on the top, if you want to write to-do list, that also fine. If you want to write Happy Mother's Day, that is also fine. Okay, so now all the crafts are ready in front of you. This is also ready. This ring is also ready. This bracelet is also ready, and this is also ready. So children, I hope you like this Mother's Day craft ideas. After long time I am making these videos again, so I hope my next video will come soon. Okay, and please do try this, and you all